Before you begin to pray, before you stand for prayer, there is a short checklist of 5 things you need to have. Here they are. Step 1. Make your wudu. This step is covered in detail in the previous video. Step 2. Check to see if the time of prayer has arrived. Each of the 5 daily prayers has its own specified time in which it must be performed. Here are the general guidelines. Fajr before dawn, Zuhr at noon, Asr in the afternoon, Maghrib sunset, Isha nightfall. The wisdom behind the prayers being spread throughout the day is so that Muslims are constantly reminded about Allah. These are opportunities for Muslims to seek forgiveness, increase our faith, and seek guidance. Step 3. Dress appropriately. Make sure to wear clothing that covers the necessary parts of your body. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, instructed the men to cover from the navel to the knee. As for the women, he instructed them to cover their body except for her face and hands. This is known as the awrah. Step 4. Find a place to pray that is clean. It is very important to pray in a place that is generally clean. If it isn't clean, you can use a carpet to cover the area you will be praying. You can also pray on many different surfaces such as grass, sand, concrete, etc. Step 5. Face the Qibla. The Qibla is the direction the Kaaba is from your current location. Allah commanded us to face the holy Kaaba in Makkah whenever we perform our prayers. Once you have completed this checklist, you are ready to start praying.